ready to make our maple cream, or maple spread as we call it. First thing I like to do is, we have some good hot water here. We've actually boiled to wash the machine. We're going to start this machine. Dump a little water through it. We've done that previously, but sometimes heating it up will help. Eventually we get flush a little water through our valves. Do a little bit of cleaning. Alright, so we rinsed it out with some hot water. We're going to take our syrup. Now we prepared our syrup, we chilled it last night. We took it 233 degrees, chilled it in a water bath as fast as we could, overnight actually, so that we had it cold, below room temperature, 70 degrees. We actually put a little bit of warm water, so if we look in here, this is our syrup, made into cream. Take a look at that. It flows like taffy. So we're actually going to put that in the machine. Okay, so you see here, you actually have, it looks like a taffy. Okay? So, we're not going to overdo it for the first little bit. I want you to be aware, you do not have to do a full batch every time. Start small. So, actually going to take and it sucks it into the machine. And it will recirculate. There we go. Okay, so this was made with a slightly darker syrup than we typically do. Watch this, you can actually watch change in everything. You know? See actually a slight change in color. Actually watching for that consistent change. If you look down in here, you can see a dark reference. Let me show you this. This is actually a darker batch. Lower end amber syrup. Looks pretty dark when you concentrate it like this. So we're going to recirculate that. Until it changes, we'll get some gloss look, some lighter color. Nice to have two people available to do this. Sometimes it will get a little tricky. So if you get this too thin, it's going to flow like syrup. It will not set up. If you get this too thick, it will set up like fondant. You do not want to shut the machine off while it's running if it has material in it close to hardening. If it hardens, you will not get it back out. Risk damaging the gears in the machine. This gear pump is very similar to what we use in the filler press. This has a stainless steel filter in it, or gear pump in it. So now if we look in, we can really see it change. And we have dark to light over here. Kind of neat to see that you can do with a dark, what we're doing here. The edges, you can really see that darker change. Now, sometimes we will work it a little bit just to make sure it's mixed together. By no means is this cream, but if you look at this, there's a huge difference in what we start now. You can see the little bit of lines in it. see a difference in the glaze. It will actually get bright and dull as it changes. The other thing it will do, it's layering here, but as it starts to layer way out and push out, it solidifies, and you notice it gets close to freezing. Remember, we've only been at this a few minutes. The advantage of this here machine is that when we're done, we will actually put it right in the containers we want. Our containers will be ready, they'll be full. We've actually, we don't have to scoop it out. I'll show you when we're done, usually hot water to wash them out. Again, see a little bit of lines in it. Getting very close. If you think it's too runny, you can always put some in a container and see if it sets up by sitting for several minutes. Notice how much more smooth it is down below. Originally it was more of a clump, but you can actually see the layers building across the air bubbles. So we're very close to cream there. So we're going to start here. We're going to actually fill some of our cream. We're looking for half-pound containers. Again, a second set of hands to draw a knife. You notice we started, still see a little bit of a line. Back up top and look and see what it's done in there. See it's flowing down through. Basically we don't want to be too thick because we want to fill our containers, but it's about the right consistency for making maple cream. So the best way to have this product is actually serve it with pretzels or bagels, something like that. And you notice these other samples here have all started to solidify. Notice how they do not dump right out. Now that maple spread should be refrigerated. Because it is pure maple, there's nothing else in it. If you have any questions, feel free to call your local representative. And good luck.